So you've sold a covered call option or a cash secured put option, and for whatever reason, you want to get out of your options contract before the expiration date, but don't know exactly how to do it. I got you. We're going to jump into my options trading account, and I'm going to show you how you can take profits from a covered call option without having to wait till it expires. So without further ado, let's get into the video. What's up, my peeps? Welcome back to the channel, and for those of you that are new here, welcome. My name is Johan Lorenzo, and in this channel I make videos about personal finance and stock market investing along with trading options. You're basically gonna learn how to make money on this channel. So if you like making money, then go ahead and hit that little red subscribe button and let's make some money, baby. So on to the video. I've had a lot of people ask me this since the last options video, so I figured I might as well do a quick video on it and use my account as an example. Let's say you've sold an option, and regardless if it's a covered call option or a cash secured put option, the way you get out of it before the expiration date is exactly the same for both. The proper textbook name for this concept is called buying to close, or buy to close, right? When you buy to close, it means exactly what it sounds like. You have to buy back the option that you sold. You basically have to do the opposite of what you did to get into the position. That's how options work. If you bought an option, you have to sell it back to close a position. And in this particular case, if you sold an option, you have to buy it back to close the position. That's just how it works, all right? And if you're new to options, I know it sounds a little weird because it's almost as if you're spending more money because you are buying something, right? Well, don't worry, you're not spending money at all, actually. Technically, what you're doing is you're leaving a few crumbs on the table and taking the majority of the profits. And by doing that, you are no longer tied down to the contract. Or sometimes you might just take a few crumbs and leave the rest because for whatever reason. So with that said, let's just get into my options trading account and execute this concept right here together. Alrighty, so here we are with my Robinhood account. I specifically use this account to trade options. And as you can see, the account has been making pretty good progress throughout the months and throughout the year overall. And I would say more than 90% of these profits have been generated from selling options. I hardly ever buy options, and if I do, they're very, very far away from the expiration date. Also, I want you guys to notice how my buying power is about $13,600 here. And once I get out of this options contract, you will see how my buying power immediately goes up. And that's because the broker releases my collateral since I am no longer at risk of being obligated to purchase 200 shares of Tesla. So we're gonna scroll down to where we have our options positions. And as you can see here, I have a Tesla $710 put option open at the moment. And it's expiring on September 24th. So we're a bunch of days away from the expiration. And for whatever reason, I wanna take my profits and exit this contract. I also want to note here, as you can see, I am currently up about 20% on this contract. Most of the time, I only buy back contracts that I'm up on. When you sell an option, there will be times that your contract will show you at a loss. In 99% of those scenarios, I just let the option expire and I'll get assigned the shares, but I won't pay out of pocket to get out of that options contract. If that doesn't make sense, just leave me a comment down in the comment section and I'll go into further detail with you guys. So to get out of this position here, we have to click on the bottom right where it says trade. Then we're gonna click buy. Now here, we'll enter the amount of contracts we're trying to get out of. And in this case, it's only 2 contracts. I want to exit them both, so I will enter 2 contracts here. Then we're going to move on to where it shows the limit price for this order. And as far as the bid and ask price goes, I'm going to enter something closer to the bid for this case. And that's basically what I'll be giving back to get out of this contract. So I'm going to enter $7.55 here, which is actually $755 because every options contract controls 100 shares. So always remember, multiply the contract price by 100. Every single time. So it will show you your max cost right below the limit price. And as you can see, I will be giving back $1,510. Now, take into consideration, my initial profit was $1,870 because I sold both contracts for $9.35 each. So in this case, I'm profiting $360, which is a sweet little chunk of money for doing absolutely nothing. So now that we're all set, we're going to click review and swipe up to submit the order. And there you have it. We have successfully exited both contracts. And as we go back to the main screen here, you can see my buying power has shot up, and that's because Robinhood immediately releases my collateral as soon as I buy back my put options and get out of the contracts. Once you buy back your put options, you are no longer obligated to purchase the shares, so your broker can't hold your money hostage any longer. Same goes with a covered call option. If you buy back your covered call option contracts, you will no longer be obligated to sell your shares if they go above that price. And there you have it, folks. If I helped you get a better understanding of this topic, then please give this video a big thumbs up. It helps the channel out and is free of charge, and I would greatly appreciate it. I want to thank you all for watching, and feel free to leave me a comment down below and share your experience on selling options, or if you have any future plans on doing so. I would love to hear from you guys, and with all that said, until next time, peace!